This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Drive in a browser or the Drive for desktop app. Sign in with your Google account and complete two-step verification if prompted. Once done, decide whether you want full folder sync or to use the web-only interface to save local disk space. Make sure to select the correct account if you use multiple. This avoids uploading to the wrong profile. The first actionable step is choosing folders to sync so files appear locally and in the cloud immediately. You'll now organize and move files, create folders, drag and drop items, or click New File Upload to add documents. Once uploaded, right-click any file to set sharing permissions, copy links, or change editors and viewers. This controls who sees what. If you installed Drive for desktop, choose streaming to save space or mirroring to keep local copies. Both sync automatically. Make sure to monitor the sync icon in the system tray so you know when uploads and changes finish. You'll finish by sharing and collaborating. Add people or generate a link, then assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles so collaborators can do the right tasks. Use version history to restore earlier edits if something breaks, and comment to request changes without altering content. Finally, verify syncing completed and that files open correctly on another device. If something goes wrong, see the tip below to troubleshoot common sync issues and confirm everything is backed up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.